All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about basic gestures for the iPad 7. So the first one is the lock. So to lock it, you're going to press this button up here at the top. And so if we do turn it on, and if I am actually unlocking it, pressing the home button to open, this home button down here is going to open up the iPad. And if I press on this little small button here at the top above the battery percentage, then it's going to lock the iPad. All right, so we're going to press the home button, and it says press home to unlock. So we're going to press that home. If you hold it down, it's actually going to open Siri. So if I hold it down, hey Siri, can you open settings? And Siri just opened my settings for me. So even from the lock screen, you can use your voice control to access apps. And that's pretty cool. I'm going to press the home button to get myself back to this home screen. Now, we'll go over some basic gestures. To get to your search bar, you just pull down on any open space. And from there, you have your search bar, and you can type in whatever you want to search for. So we have tonal energy that I can search for. I can press the microphone and say, search for Google Drive. And then you can see that it has a search for Google Drive. If I want to search for a specific app name, I can press the microphone again. Loom. And just like that, I was able to open up my Loom app. And I press the home screen again and I'm back. So that's a fast way to navigate. So some more quick little gestures. You want to try to access every part of the iPad 7, all right? So if we pull down, we get our lock screen. We pull up, we remove it. If we pull from this corner, we get our screen mirroring, our Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, a bunch of like good settings here that you're toggling on and off frequently or changing frequently. And so we get rid of that. So you can just swipe it off to get rid of it, or you can just click, tap anywhere off of it, and it'll go away. You can swipe left to pull up your sidebar, and you can also swipe this way on the right to see more of your apps. You can pull up, and then at the center, let go. This will show you all of the apps you have open. Any apps that you want to close, swipe up, and they go away. Tap anywhere blank, and it will go away. If you swipe from the bottom corner, it'll pull up the last app that you used. You can also press home screen to make them go back to the home screen. And so those are the basic commands that will help you navigate through. Of course, from this screen, you can ask Siri to do anything that you are having trouble finding. And I hope this helps.